We're going to celebrate. One of the people we're going to celebrate with is Agni. Now, Agni was here a while. Remember, she has tested me about Alpha, and she said how God had completely changed her life. So you said God had changed your life, but you still weren't sure about baptism, were you? But why have you decided now to be baptized?
So yeah, I did have some reservations about getting baptized, and these were mainly due to the ideas that I had in my head previously. I thought that I had to be ready somehow. I thought that I had to be at a particular stage in my life for that to happen. But I'm really thankful that I have voiced my concerns to the people who were around me at the time. And I was explained that I don't really have to be at a certain stage. And this is something that Jesus did, and he asked his followers to do as well. And this is something that I decided to do. And for me, this is about a journey. I had to say to myself, this is not about me being perfect. This is about me being willing and